We're back. It is 14 minutes to the top of the hour. We also had a representative from the Alabama Institute for the Deaf and the Blind stop by last week on the show to test the hearing of all the people that work with the program. There's always been rumors that my hearing was not up to par because of the loudness of headphones, years in a rock and roll band, and things of that nature. So we kind of had everybody's hearing tested here on the program, and we want to thank Teresa, who came by. Teresa, good morning. How are you doing? This is Teresa Caldwell, is that right?
That's right.
Teresa Caldwell, who is with hey, Teresa, the Alabama Institute for the Deaf and the Blind, and she came in to test our hearing. While we're on TV, we only got one more segment on TV. She actually is going to look inside our ear.
Yeah, you think the embedded reporter has been quite a visual on the war. Wait till you see this.
Is there anybody that works with the show, first of all, that has what you consider to be some hearing problems?
I've got the charts here.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, there is.
Oh,
We'll get into that. Teresa, let's go ahead and do that.
yeah, let's look inside there while we're on TV.
I've got the tour of my nose and my throat before, but I've never seen my ear.
D, all I've got is my audiogram. If I'm supposed to have everybody else's, I don't. I guess, okay, there it is. I can see them up on the board there. That's good. She has pictures of all of us, and oh my gosh, look at JT's. All right, anyway, so, but I'm sure he's fine.
We'll try to get him fitted today.
Yeah, I mean, my
Some type
goodness.
of hearing
So we'll discuss.
Rick, pull your headphones off. She's going to look at
Oh,
your
it's my ear
first.
first? Okay. All right, we're going inside my ear.
Oh, wait a minute. Speedy, come over here. You got to get a shot of this.
Look at this side of my ear. Look, she's looking around in there. A little wax off to the left there.
Look, it's a monster.
Good night. Look at that.
Did you see that?
Wax?
Look at that.
Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look
If
at my
you're
ear.
just tuning in to Turner South.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Look, somebody get me a paper clip.
Good gracious.
Somebody get me a paper clip. I gotta go dig that out. Look at my eardrum.
If you're just tuning by, this is
Wow.
not the Discovery Channel.
Oh,
this is
my
the Rick
God.
and Bubba Show.
All right, so when we look in.
I haven't seen anything that scary since they explored the unknown passages of the Great Pyramid.
Gosh, Bubba, come here. Let's see in your ear.
Oh, I got to go over here?
Yeah, come here. All right, we're going to look in Bubba's ear, too. So that was my eardrum. How did it look in there, besides a little deep wax buildup down in the bottom? Yeah, you know, I have them like the suction done on mine. I get wax. Oh, my gosh, look how much hair we have in our ears. Does that shock you a little bit? Oh, look, what is that? How can you, what's that thing at the end there?
There's the eardrum.
Oh, is that
There's a line there looking back at it.
Good God. Oh, look hanging down from the top of the roof. Oh, good God. Oh, my gosh. I'm going to throw up. That is shocking. It's hot in here. Man. Now you want to look in the other one.
Right there.
What is that? Dead skin. Get that out of there.
Flaky.
That's got to be itchy.
What is?
Oh, my gosh.
Hey, look
Oh, look at D. It's really making him
Wow.
sick. Man. How about sometimes you shouldn't look in orifices? Man. Oh, man.
Want to see your thing?
Yeah, D.
Let's see what's in there.
How about you look? How about down in your ears? Wow.
It's inside you.
Man, we're looking inside our ears. Those of you who don't have Turner South, just go by the reaction of us screaming. Look at. Let's get inside D's ear. Look, what is that?
D, what is
that? That's his earring. Okay.
Okay.
My gosh, I thought they was like the.
Oh, D, look.
Hey, D keeps his ears pretty clean though. That's a clean ear right there.
How about it looks like an eyeball looking back at you, doesn't it?
Let me ask you this: is his ear too clean? I've heard that sometimes
Yeah.
Q-tips take too much out. Is that correct? You know, I've heard ear.
Some people just don't have a lot.
Okay, well I do. Mine sometimes will build it to the point I have to go have it suctioned down deep in there. Just shut my.
All the same color on the inside.
Yeah, we are. That's right. How about the inside of your ear? Looks just like ours. Look, all right, let's go over here and look over. Oh my gosh, there's a little.
D, oh, D, you're the winner, D. You're the winner.
Oh, that one ear.
D, what is that?
It looks like the soda cavern. It's the soda cavern.
Call the Marines to clear that area.
Christopher Columbus doesn't know whether he should show it or not.
Oh, gosh.
The soda
Yeah, oh yeah.
cavern.
Yeah, everybody. Hey, D.
Man, you were so good on that other ear, too, D.
Hey, Dave, you returned your call?
DeSoto Caverns called it.
I want their stalagmite back.
Man, I think I saw Hernandez DeSoto in there.
Oh, gosh, this is going to be great.
How about I am kind of sick?
Look.
All right, go inside Speedy.
Oh, Speedy, hello. Welcome to the club
You
there.
got a lot of hair on your ear, too. What's
Hey, what's that thing in the
Something
middle?
in the way of his eardrum. What is that?
That's the first bone of the hammer.
Oh, the first bone. Okay.
That's the hammer?
Oh, gosh.
Man.
Get on in there, didn't you?
Yeah, she'll get in there and get her a look. Oh, my God. Oh, what is
Speedy,
it?
I think the elder...
Oh, what is that?
It's moving.
Oh, my God. That's a worm. Speedy's got a worm in his ear.
Look at him.
Asshole, she can't even get it out of the way. Hey, what the hell is
Speedy, good gracious.
Oh, my God.
Is that axle grease come standard, or you have to add that?
That thing was moving. It was some kind of like...
Grease monster.
It was some kind of like a fly laid eggs.
It was just dry skin.
It was, she said it was just dry skin. You're-
I thought we had our first tick crawling here live on the air.
I thought it was a pupa.
I thought Speedy's been out on the golf course one round too many.
Something got on him out there.
Teresa, tell us.
Okay.
Oh, man.
We got about a minute 20.
No, that hurt.
For the hard break. All right, just give us a brief. Who's in trouble?
Okay, the audiograms here go in order of who hears the best. Speedy has the best hearing over here, and his hearing is all within normal limits. Bubba has just a little bit of a high frequency loss here,
But look how I come back, though, with the
Yeah,
real
you
high
recovered.
frequency.
Oh, yeah.
and Rick has a little bit more, and JT, on the other hand, as we know, is going to be worse than everybody.
So JT,
Wow.
he's almost deaf. Isn't he?
It's pitiful.
That looks like my 401k chart there. That dip on there.
Look at JT.
I've already referred him to a doctor.
JT's got to have a hearing aid.
You know what? And how about this? It's his high frequency. That's why he likes to hear himself talk.
Yeah, that's right.
Bubba, seriously, I mean, JT, I mean, that's really not very good, is it?
And all these letters on here are the speech sounds that you might have trouble distinguishing one from another. But we also test for speech discrimination, where you have to repeat words.
That's why we can't talk. That's why it is. Look, y'all, we don't wonder we can't talk. Look at all the letters.
And so that's why Bubba couldn't tell the difference the other day between Queen Latifah and Queen Latifah.
See, to me, that's the same word. What are y'all saying different?
Can't hear it. God love you.
But how about this? When I go into like a big shopping, like a big department store, I hear that high frequency whistle at the front door. Can y'all hear that?
No. Now, as you say, my high frequencies are
Oh
gone.
yeah, I'm asking the wrong guy.
I can't even hear high frequency at all.
But your high frequencies recover some, so there's still hope.
Yeah, there's still hope.
Down here are the reasons why you have high frequency hearing loss.
All right, we'll talk about that when we come back. TV, we'll talk to you tomorrow. Radio, hang on. And thanks a lot for being with us on Turner South.
Rick and Bubba, Rick and Bubba.
Rick and Bubba's in Ohio!
Rick and Bubba, Rick and Bubba.
Pass the gravy, please.
Rick and Bubba, Rick and Bubba.
Ooh, it brings me to my knees.
Rick and Bubba, Rick and Bubba.
I can't start another
Rick and Bubba, Rick and Bubba.
day without 'em, brother.
Rick and Bubba, Rick and Bubba.
Ooh, there is no other
Rick and Bubba, Rick and Bubba.
working on their blubber.
Rick and